Hi folks, Michael P. from the Tech Office with good news about printers and printing. First thing I want to share with you is that printers can now be installed by students very easily, and so here's the process for doing that. If you have a printer to install at home, for example, you're going to go into System Preferences, you're going to go to the Print and Scan area, and then to add a printer, all you need to do is click on the plus down here, and if you've got a networked printer at home, for example, you'd put in the IP address, get the information, and it'll go through the process slightly differently depending on the printer that you have. If you have a USB printer at home, you don't even need to go that far. You simply plug it in, give it a moment, and it should recognize the printer. If it's a bigger name brand printer like an HP or a Canon or an Epson printer, it should recognize those right away. If not, and if you have a disk that would need to be installed, then you probably will need to see us for help. But if it's a printer that's already installed somewhere else on the network, shouldn't be a problem. All right? But now let's talk about printers at school. We use a system called PaperCut at the schools now, which will allow you to print to different printers throughout the district. So, in order to add those printers, what you'll need to do is first delete the printers that you don't need anymore. So any that were IP-based, soon that IP-based printing will go away and you won't be able to use it. So it's important to delete those now. You can see I've got a couple of printers showing up here. I'm just going to click on the minus sign, click on delete printer, and there it goes. It's gone. Now you may be thinking, well, wait a minute, I have to get a teacher to do that. No, in fact you don't. Notice that this is locked right now, but I'm still able to add and delete printers. New feature all set up. All right, so I've deleted the printers. I'm going to keep my home printer right there. It's all still good to go. And now I'm going to go to the FileWave kiosk, and you can get there by clicking on the little red symbol up here. And if it's not there, give it 5-10 minutes, and that icon should show up for you, the FileWave kiosk indicator. And we're going to click on Install Software. It's going to open up this dialog box here. You can see that it has different choices. There is a utility for CrashPlan that you can install. It involves putting in your password and clicking on OK. Beyond that, that's the only utility that's out there right now. But there are plenty of printers. So you're going to want to find the high school printers. And once you've found the high school printer, you will want to go ahead and find the ones you'd like to install. So I'm going to click on Install for the color, and you can see it's already done. And then there are 3 black and white printers in the Media Center. I'd like to install those as well. So I'm just going to select each one of those, and you can see it will go through its steps to download and install each one of those printers. Now if I look back here at my print and scan area, you'll see I have all those printers available to me now. And those are the printers that I have set up, and that's all there is to installing printers using the FileWave kiosk. Good luck and have fun.